How y'all doing? Welcome back, guys. I got another video for y'all. So well, actually, I want to say early. Well, last week I ended up buying a Nintendo Switch online. Well, pretty much off of eBay, and I got it in. I got it in today, and actually, I should have started taking a video of it before I took it apart. But it had a replacement battery, and let me tell you about this. This thing is pretty awesome because I didn't know, but this thing came with its own box. This Switch has been very well taken care of. This is an older generation. This is a version 1. Look at that serial number. I'm excited about it because, as y'all know, these are hackable. Look at that. I guess I'll do it this way. Oh. Oh. It's an XAW4000. XAW4000. So this is a hackable Switch if I get this working. Now, I already ran through a couple of tests. It will not. Oh, in the box. Okay. I'm jumping ahead of myself. Whoever had it, take care of it. Joy-Cons are still in plastic. I got everything for it. All the plastics and everything. HDMI charger, the dock. Good for that person that kept this stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna put this up because I'm gonna start working on the Switch. But it had a he did get in there. Whoever had it did get in there to replace the battery. So this is the battery it came with. I'm not, well, I don't know, I might use that battery, but I do have an original battery over here. That's good, and I do have several others that I can actually use instead of using that one, because I would hate to have this pristine original. Look at the back cover, just fingerprints, that's it, no heavy scratches, no nothing. This thing, not even dust in here. This is a V1 Nintendo Switch, or maybe an early V2. For it to be in this condition, I'm excited about it, so I want to get this fixed. Look at the backplate. Backplate is, other than my fingerprints, it's in good condition. I love it. So anyways. Alright, so what it does, I get this error code 210100 repair thing. I think, oh, okay. See, I get that code right there. So I've done reboots and stuff like that. I kind of have an idea what the issue is. Usually that's caused by the M92 chip being shorted out. Let's get in it and start doing some testing and see what we get. Like I said, I should have started this video before I cracked it open, but you know, I'm here now, so actually I'm gonna get closer with the camera real quick. Because I gotta see that chip. Okay. Forgive my kids, they're being loud. Alright, so let me turn this on. All I'm going to be doing is looking for shorts. Right. I need to get a clear picture of that. Alright. So this is the important one. That's normal, no short there. That's ground, no short there, no short there, nothing, nothing. Oh, we got a short there. So just like I said, oh, there's another one right here. Just like I thought, the M92 chip is bad. Alright, well, enough said. Let's take that chip out, replace it, and get this thing going. So let's crack it open. Well, it's already open, but let's crack on. So we're closely gonna inspect this this board to make sure there's no other damage or anything that's kind of out of whack or what have you. Come on, camera, focus. Focus on me. There we go. All right. Move this out the way. You move this out the way. All right. That area looks good. Charging port looks good. We know that we have a short there. I cannot believe that thing is not straight. Okay, so I know y'all saw me pull this up. I pulled that up, and the reason why I do that, I've learned the hard way. When you do any work or any heat to these things, whenever you're doing work over here or here, so that's plastic right there. And to be honest, that's plastic is a little bit weaker than this plastic or the connector plastic. So I had an incident one time where, and where all I did was replace, I think, a charging port. I did a charging port, and I connected the tester, and it never went past. It never went to full boot. It just went into, you know, first stage boot, and that's as far as it went. Well, the reason why it happened is because this little piece over here, the plastic piece underneath it, kind of came separated from the board, from the little green board. As a matter of fact, I still have that switch. It's in my collection somewhere that I have. So what I had to do is I had to take this piece off, resolder the plastic piece to this. I was able to do it, and I do have a video of me showing that, and got it back together and actually got it working. So it's important to, if you don't want to take any risk, I mean, you're fine. I mean, it may not happen to you, but it did happen to me. So now I disconnect that. That way I know it's not connected, and it at least puts pressure on both ends of that terminal. So right now that's it's pushing down just very lightly on that. But anyway, we're here to take this off. So I know I have a short there. I will test out, see if we have another short once it's removed. And okay, there we go. All right, let me get some heat protection. And we are ready to remove this. Hopefully I don't move the camera too much. All right. Okay. All right, let me get started. Okay, chip is on. Sorry, I had to change the camera angle because the way I had it, my arm was kept hitting the camera or the camera stand. So I'm gonna wait for it to cool off real quick. It's actually really cool. Let's go ahead and clean it, check the connections, make sure we're all good, put a tester on it, battery, and see what we got. I gotta admit, I am a little nervous. Alright, let's see what we got. That looks good. That looks good. That looks good. And that looks good. Alright, so let's test it out. Alright, so I'm going to use my known good battery. Clip that back on. Now earlier when I stuck this in here, I wasn't getting any readings. So let's see what we got now. That's a good sign because earlier didn't do that. So that lets me know that it's not charging. So it might be this guy right here too. Yeah, it's not even getting warm. Just to make sure it's not my battery. Where is the other one? No, that's not it. Oh, there it is. Excuse me. Alright, so I gotta replace the BQ chip too. I don't think I have a short there, but I do know that when it's at 5, well, this is supposed to give me my 15 volts, but I don't think it's gonna draw any amps if there's nothing over here, if this is not reading correctly. Okay, just in case. Alright, let's replace that BQ chip. I'm gonna get myself prepped and we'll go from there. it. She's still kind of warm. All right. Okay. Let's see if I don't have no more hiccups. Forgive my kids. All right, that's a good charge. And she turns on. All right, folks. So this one's fixed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go do my thing with my kids real quick. Sorry for all the hiccups that I had here. I was rushing it. I shouldn't have been rushing. I'm just trying to get out of here on time for these little ones. But anyway, when you're doing these things, take your time. It's gonna work out. Just as long as you know what you're doing, I think everybody will be fine. So anyway, I will be right back, and on video, I will see you in a few seconds. But in reality, I'll be back in like about 2 hours. See ya. All right, people, I am back. I kind of jumped the gun because I got home and I wanted to get started on this this switch that I'm working on. As you can see earlier, I got it working. I already slapped it in here. It's not screwed down yet. I'm fixing to screw it down. So anyway, I'll just let y'all watch me put it together. So let's put it together. know what, guys? I'm sorry. I just realized that my camera cut off because the battery died. And when I mean by camera, I mean my phone. Yes, I use my phone for all my recordings. I forgot that it was low on battery. And well, you don't even see me build it, but I built it. So it's the same. It's the same one, a modable one. XAW 4000. So it's put together now. I got fingerprints all over it. I was gonna do some testing. I already checked out the Joy-Cons. Joy-Cons are working flawlessly. And there was no screws missing during the making of this video. I wish I could prove that to y'all. Anyway, just so you know that it's the same motherboard. System. Serial information. XAW 4055. So it's the very same one. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna dock it just to make sure that everything works. And there we go. This one's fully functional. Let me wipe my camera. There we go. Sorry about that. So I didn't put the aftermarket battery because I wanted to have a legitimate battery. The one that's in there now is one of these certified Nintendo battery for this guy, because this is a special piece. A lot of y'all know that to do a custom firmware you need to have a V1 Nintendo Switch. Well, just a V1 Nintendo Switch. And what makes this one special is that it is very well taken care of, and it does come with a box and with the original Joy-Cons, original charger, dock. You name it, it has it out of the box. It's got a glass protector, a screen protector, which is awesome. Finally figured out what I was going to do with this thing. So, I'm going to make sure it's clean. Ready to serve any purpose. The only thing I haven't checked yet was the actual reading games. But knowing how perfect this knowing how perfect condition this Switch is, it shouldn't have an issue reading games. Do I have a game here? I got so much stuff. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab a game real quick. Okay, I'm back. I got a game with me. All-time favorite, Metroid. I love all the Metroid games. Been a fan since the 90s. Okay. Let's pop a game in. There it goes. We're going to stick a micro SD card in there too as well. We'll do this 512 micro SD card, and I'm going to make it stay in here. This micro SD card is going to be the permanent home of this Switch. Whoa. There it goes. It reads it. System update. Anyways, I'm going to do this off camera. The Switch is 100% working. This is an original V1 with all the bells and whistles that it comes with in the box. And I have the actual box, which is very exciting. So anyway, guys, I hope y'all like this video. Sorry that it cut off. Sorry that the battery died on me. I forgot to look at that. I don't know how far it recorded, but anyways, if you have any comments, please feel free to leave any comments. I hope y'all like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate that. Man, I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.